That's why I'm recording.
What?
Ah!
What is that? Thomas.
Oh my god!
What is it?
Is that a dead bird? Okay, hold on.
No.
Come on.
Don't touch it. What if it's just sleeping?
Oh no.
Yeah, I think it's been sleeping for a long time. It's been there since last week.
Oh
Thomas,
my
you gonna take its head off.
It's not even rigor mortis.
Ew, that's so sad.
No, it's
A dead bird?
But that's been there since like last week though.
You know what's cool? If you take quarters and stuff.
Thomas, you gonna break it.
That's just mean.
Just grab it by the
Alright,
little
we're gonna
pieces.
gonna do this.
Oh! Or that.
Also, no. Was it touching it?
Alright, we're gonna do this.
It can like flip in the air. Let's give it. Let's have a funeral for the bird. Okay. Let's go lay it by a tree. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Now we're gonna go behind over
We
there.
gotta have a funeral
for it.
You were morbid. Here you go,
Shut up.
Eric.
She gonna go back in her room and be like, "Oh, the bird died."
I'm making a video.
Oh.
Let's have a funeral for the bird. Poor little guy. Stop walking towards
I'm
me.
Where are you putting it?
I'm gonna put it back here so no
Put
one
it on the
can see
bridge so we can give it a funeral. Thomas, there's the. Why are you putting it there?
him. So that no one can see him. So he's out of the way.
Oh. Are you gonna bury him later? Thomas, we gotta give him a funeral.
It was a red receipt.
Yeah, before you lick your hand, Karen.